Welcome back. Former External Affairs Minister Eduardo Faleiro has said that Israelis and Russian tourists having criminal background should be discouraged from coming to Goa. He feels that they are a nuisance and they destroy local culture and value system. Faleiro says these tourists should be allowed only on visa and not on temporary landing facility.
Israeli backpackers and Russians, many of whom have criminal record, they should be discouraged from coming to Goa. They destroy the local culture and value system. When this type of tourists come to an area, other tourists avoid that area. In view of our experience with tourism, so far, we should not open the hinterland. And tourism should be restricted to the beaches. We must improve the infrastructure there.
It is known that Russian mafia operate in Goa and are involved in anti-social activities. Eduardo claims these tourists are disliked in the world. Why?
Israelis, because they are basically young people who have done their compulsory military service, they are under stress and they go there with no money practically. They give them minimum money that they say not enough for cigarettes. Anik, they go there stingy, bargaining all the time, and they always, they move in groups and they form those enclave tourist type of situation.
Faleiro informed that in Goa, thousands of LTFs are granted during tourist season, 90% and more to the Russians. Hence, there is no scrutiny of criminal background of this tourist.
No Russian should be allowed here without a visa. You see, many of them, plane loads are coming with temporary landing facility. Nobody is allowed to enter India, foreigner, without a visa.
A video journalist Omkar Faleiro for Prudent Media.
The director of Film Festival Shankar Mohan has revealed that the existing infrastructure in Goa is not enough for the size of IFFI he plans to have. Shankar Mohan says there is a need for the convention centre at Miramar. He also said that the festival had lacked much needed publicity, but this time the DFF in synergy with the ESG will get it done.
The technical team of DFF has come down to Goa to survey the infrastructure for IFFI. The team surveyed the venues of the movie screenings and have made specific technical suggestions. The team has examined the Inox, Kala Akademi, Ravindra Bhavan and other screening venues. The director of DFF has also revealed that the entries for the Indian Panorama will be started in 1 month's time. It is known that many of the Indian states have been asking for IFFI to be held in their states. Amongst the many names, Kolkata is the first name which is in the IFFI seekers list. Shankar Mohan says he wishes to put the film culture amongst Goans, which has already happened in states like Kolkata. A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Omkar Faleiro.
India is celebrating its 65th Independence Day on Wednesday. Tricolour and patriotism has captured minds of Indians. It's a proud moment for all Indians when they hold India's tricolour high. But there is an Indian in Panji whose family has been stitching flag for more than 50 years. Muhammad Ghaus Khalifa has a unique story and he says his family will continue the tradition of making flags. Prudent brings to you all this special story to mark India's 65th Independence Day.
Muhammad Ghaus Khalifa is busy these days as he is meeting commitments of supplying ready-to-use tricolours to institutions and for personal use just before the Independence Day. Muhammad, a tailor by profession and has a tailoring shop in Panji market. He stitches the flag and then Ashoka Chakra is painted on it by the other painters and artists. There are also other tailors in Panji market doing this job, but Muhammad says his father started this work in the state capital 5 decades back and now he is continuing this work and so his family.
नॅशनल फ्लॅग आमचे पयलीं डेडी करतालो 55 इयर्स जाले चडशे तुका 15 ऑगस्टाक अदरवायज 26 जानेवारी आनी 19 डिसेंबराक आसतात आमकां ते कोण ना कोण येतात ऑलिंपिक गेमीची बीन येता आमकां केन्ना गेमींग आसता पळय तेन्ना येता.
Fishing trawler owners, institutions get national flag prepared by Ghaus tailors. Many take away these tricolours during cricket matches and other sports events. He says it's a proud moment to do this job. It's a symbol of independent India.
अरे नॅशनल फ्लॅग म्हणजे आमचे भारत देश काय नॅशनल फ्लॅग आमकां बरी दिसता मातशें आनी येता तें म्हाकाय खुशी दिसता गिरायक म्हाजे कडेन येता शिवून व्हरता म्हाका खुशी दिसता आनी तांकां ना म्हणना कोणूय येवं तांकां शिवून दिता.
Our special correspondent Rakesh Kandolkar and video journalist Prajot Pednekar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.